jungle life. You must experience a lot of destinations with every animal showing authority and capacity, but only one wins the fight. Enjoy the video. Lions are very powerful because they hunt as a group, and every part of an animal has a responsibility to play. Let me share to you fun factors about lions. 1. Lions are the only cats that live in groups. 2. A group or pride can be up to 30 lions, depending on how much food and water is available. 3. Female lions are the main hunters. 4. A lion roars can be heard up to 8 kilometers away. And 5. For now, lions can't mark their territory using their wing to create a border. Now there's something we need to educate ourselves and refresh. The name of a group of lions is called the Lions also make other noises. They meow, hiss, and snarl like domestic cats, but louder. Male lions are much bigger than female, and they have larger manes or hair, which covers their head and neck and stretches underneath to their belly. Lions' cubs have light spots on their fur when they are born. This fade when they are grown up, and they help to camouflage or hide them when they are young. There are many types. 5 types of big cat, namely tiger, lion, jaguar, leopard, and small leopard. The main 2 types of lion are the African and the Asian, but they are thought to be 8 in total. Here is the list: Barbary lion, Asiatic lion, West African lion, Maasai lion, Congo lion, Southwest African lion, Transvaal lion, and Ethiopian lion. At birth, the baby hippo, the calf weighs between 50 and 110 lbs or kilograms. For its first 8 months, the calf nurses while its mother is on the land, or it swims underwater to suckle. When baby hippo dives, the calf closes its nose and ears to block out water. Viewers, allow me to share with you some facts on buffaloes. Buffaloes are not bison. Buffaloes are formidable animals. Buffaloes are gentle giants. Buffaloes give birth in the rain season. Buffalo are excellent swimmers. Buffaloes live for a long time. Buffaloes love mud paths. African buffaloes hold elections. Lions are the laziest of all the big cats and can sleep for 16 to 20 hours each day. The lioness usually gives birth to between 1 and 4 lions babies. Our lioness, if you observe, had 4 female cubs with our male when they lived the way you saw them in the video. Elephants, they are the world's largest land animals. You can tell the 3 species apart from their ears. Their trunks have mud scales. Their tusks are actually teethy. They have got thick skin. Elephants constantly eating. They communicate through vibrations. out at night in Africa, especially in Africa, and these are hippos, lions, leopards, porcupines, civet cats, white-tailed, mongoose, ibex, cape hares, and many others. Who live in the desert are usually nocturnal to avoid the intense heat during the day. Those animals that are awake at night can see things only in black and white colors. Lions hunt at night. Female lions work together to bring down a gazelle, a zebra, or occasionally even larger prey. But the male are impossibly shaggy, maned, and battle-scared fellow will demand to eat first. The sound of their dinner time discussion on this matter and a spindling hair-raising prevail. Leopards' spots are called rosettes, and the leopards like to spend time in trees. Leopards are the smallest of the big cats. Leopards are fast runners. Leopards are found on several continents. Leopards are solidarity animals, will eat almost anything, are ambush predators. They take ambush so much. A baby lion is called a cub, whether it is a male or a female. Once it reaches adulthood, the cub will be designated as a lion if it is a male or a lioness if it is a female. Most lioness give birth to an average of 3 cubs per litter, though higher numbers have occasionally been recorded elsewhere. Adult lions are between 3 and 8 years old. They are fully grown and are of breeding age. Females will often have cubs. Adult males are in their prime. The male's man will grow. Adult males mostly have medium or large males. Cubs are quick developers and starts to walk at 10 to 15 days old. They also grow baby teeth while they are very young. Baby lions are totally dependent on their mothers for food and protection during the first few months. The lioness will keep her cubs hidden from other lions for up to 2 months. Lions inhabit a wide range of habitats from open plains to thick brush and dry thorn forest, except for a small population of the Indian lion subspecies that remains in the Giri forest of northwest India. Lions now live only in Africa from the Sahara South French to northern South Africa. Even though the lion is sometimes referred to as the king of the jungle, lions actually only live in grasslands and plains. The expression may have come from an incorrect association between Africa and jungles, or may refer to a less literal There is title competition amongst the pride males during mating. Instead of fighting to the first to mate with the fertile female, a male will follow her around very closely at the first signs of the fertility onset. These are some of the factors affecting hunting: visibility, vegetation structure, wind direction, and speed. That these four influences both the hunting success of carnivores and the vigilance behavior of prey directly. especially if it is weakened or separated from the herd. An important factor in savanna is climate. The climate is usually warm and temperature ranges from higher percentage degrees Celsius. Savanna exists in areas where there is 6 to 8 month wet summer season and 4 to 6 month dry winter season. Unusual rain is from 10 to 30 inches per year. They have ancient lineage, their size and longevity supersedes most species. They have incredible powerful jaws. They can regenerate their teeth. They have a sensorineural organ. They make excellent parents. They are efficient swimmers. They have adapted for survival. These crocodiles have no natural predators other than humans. Hatchlings have a high mortality rate and are preyed upon by other wildlife including raccoons, birds, and crabs. As you are aware, a pride is a group of lions that live together. The members of pride spend days in several scattered groups that meet to hunt or share a meal. Each pride has its own territory that defends ranging from 20 square kilometers. If food is abundant to 400 square kilometers around its spouse, they guard the territory intensively. Lions are highly territorial and occupy the same area for generations. Females actively defend their territories against other females, while the resident males protect prides from rival coalition. Territory size depends on prey abundance as well as access to water and dining sites. Last